You restore deleted account in Saturn app, so you should just go to your settings and up right, then there are more options, and then you can delete your account. But if you do this, it says this is also very permanent. And I tried to do that, and then when you try to log in with the same phone number, like, yeah, actually all your friends, all your schedules, your school, everything is just deleted, and you can't just easily restore it. So then you probably will need to reach out to support, FAQ, or like text support or something like that, but then it will be very long process. So yeah, like as I said, it's just deleted, and then you need to start all over and add all your friends, all your schools from scratch. In other apps like BeReal, if you just delete your account, but then you log in during like 14 days, for example, all your data is restored. Here, it's not the case, so just think twice when you want to delete it. That's what it is.